Hey guys, it's Lisa here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the link of a Google Slides presentation so that it will automatically open in present mode for the viewer without publishing to the web. So I'm sure that some of you are asking, why would you just not publish to the web? For example, if you have something like this is what I used for my most recent video, how to create a class app or hub for your parents and students where you can have all of the information that you need that's important for them to know. Some of the examples that I used were like contact information, weekly homework. Something like this for homework, you're going to be updating that weekly. The problem is once you give them that publish link, it's not going to show the updates. Also, if you download it as a PDF and then you share that link, it's also not going to show any of the updates. If you publish it to the web, it's going to automatically advance, and you definitely don't want that. So you just want it to automatically go into present mode when they click the link. This way it doesn't take away from the appeal of it looking more like an app rather than a Google Slides presentation. So I'm going to show all of you how to do this. You're going to go up to share. Okay, just make sure that it says that, anyone with the link can view. Okay, otherwise you have to change that. And then you're going to hit copy link. Now, if I go into a new window here and I just paste that here, you'll see at the end after the / it says edit ? And then the rest of this here, okay? You're going to want to get rid of all of that, and you're just going to type in present. Okay, now you're going to see what happens when I hit the enter button. Okay, it's going to put that automatically in present mode, and it also changed it a little bit. Okay, either one will work. So now I can just to show you, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to close the window. Okay, I'm going to open a new window, and when I put this in, if I were to send it to somebody and they put that into their bar at the top, it's going to automatically put this in present mode, and you can see that it works. Everything is functionable the way it's supposed to. Okay, so make sure you check out my tutorial video for how to make this class app if you have not done so already. But please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. You definitely don't want to miss my future videos. Take care, everyone.